In this video, I will discuss a very interesting method from Vedic mathematics to find the square of any number. So, this video will be a part of a series doing the calculations from Vedic mathematics. So, in this my first part, we'll find the squares of those numbers which are near to 100. So, in my coming videos, I will be discussing how to find the squares of other numbers. So for the time being, in this video we'll discuss to find the squares of those numbers which are near to 100. So here we'll be dealing with two different cases. In the first case, let us see how to find the square of a number which is less than 100. So for instance, we take an example of 98. So we want to find the square of 98. So in this process, the first step is to observe the number whose square you want to find and see by how much amount our number is less than 100. Like in this case, 98 is less than 100 by 2. So we will further reduce that number by same amount. So it means we are going to reduce this number further by 2. Since 98 is 2 less than 100, so we are further reducing this 98 by same amount, that is 2. So we'll obtain 96. So in this case, these two numbers, they are very important for us, because the square of 98 is hidden behind these two numbers. So the last two digits of the square of 98, they will be given by square of this number, that is 0, 4, and the first two digits, they are same as that of the subtraction of these two numbers, that is 96. So in this case, 9604, this is square of 98. Let us take one more example. Suppose you want to find the square of 89. So first we have to observe that 89 is 11 less than 100. So we are going to reduce this 89 further by same amount, that is 11. So 89 minus 11 is nothing but 78. Now these two numbers, they are very important for us for finding the square of 89. So last two digits, they will be given by square of 11. Now you can see the square of 11 is a 3-digit number, that is 121. So we will take this 21 as the last two digits, and the remaining number, that is 1, we will take it as a carry for the first two numbers. So first two numbers, they have to be 78, but since 1 we have already carried from the previous two digits, so you have to add this 1 to 78. So finally you come up with 7921. So this 7921, this is nothing but square of 89. So this is the case when the number is smaller than 100. Now let us take up the second case when the number is higher than 100. So again we'll be taking one example, let us say 105. So in this case, since the number is more than 100, so you have to further increase the number by same amount. Like in our first case, we had to reduce the number by same amount by which it is falling short than 100. So in this case, this number is more than 100. 105 is 5 more than 100. So further we are going to increase this number by 5. So result is 110. So again, these two numbers are very important for us. The last two digits, they will be given by square of this number, that is 25. The first two or three digits, like in this case, first three digits, they are straight away given by this addition, that is 110. So finally we can say the square of 105, it is equal to 11025. So this is a very simple method for finding the square of any number. You can do the calculations mentally without even using pen or paper. So in this video, I have taken up those numbers which are near to 100. So in my coming videos, I will be discussing the square of other numbers plus some very interesting Vedic mathematic techniques which are used to solve the mathematical problems very quickly. So I hope this video will definitely benefit you, and please wait for my next videos for such more very interesting mathematical techniques. So thank you for now.